All right, so in the 14BH, we do have a bunk option. The top bunk is rated for 150 pounds. The bunk folds a little different than most bunks you're looking at, and the reason we do that is because we wanted you to be able to sit on the bottom bunk here and actually have some headspace up here too. We have had some people buy the BH just to use that as storage as they're traveling. I want to show you real quick how that bunk goes down. So in order to do this, what you'd do is you'd slide this out. That cushion would drop down, giving you a little bit wider sleeping capacity there. You come up here, you pull this bolt here, you pull this bolt lock here, bed comes down, now you've got a bunk. The capacity, the weight capacity on that top bunk is 150 pounds. It's really made for smaller kids and things like that, or again, storage. I've had people just put bins up there and they'll take these mattresses out and just leave them at home. All right, I want to talk real quick. In our Rove Lite series, we do offer a wet bath. In this weight class, under 2,000 pound trailers, there's really nothing out there with a full bathroom, a full wet bath like this. There are a couple. Some of those touch a little bit heavier weights and a little bit smaller. Those are Asdel walls inside, so you don't have to worry about water penetration. We do caulk the corners so that you can use that as a functioning wet bath. The curtain you would use when you're showering, but we just want to make sure that you had a place to go in the middle of the night for those nighttime emergencies. You do have a shower with those quick shut off, so you can set your temperature and then take breaks in between while you're soaping up, or between rinsing off and soaping up and washing your hair. So we do give you guys a sink in here, a little kitchenette, as well as the bathroom, even though the weight is as low as it is versus a teardrop where the bathroom is, or the kitchen is outside and there really is no bathroom and barely any sleeping capacity. And that's usually what's in this weight category that you're looking at. You got some storage cabinets up here. You have a Suburban 2-burner LP cooktop. We also have, like I mentioned in the previous video, or previous segment, that we do have an inside-outside speakers. Speakers are under here. Outside you have them, and you do have Bluetooth connectivity on there. As you move over, I spoke a little bit about the 12-volt refrigerator. Just want to show you the inside of it. You do have a little freezer space in here as well. And I'm going to turn that off because it is on. You don't want it draining on the battery. Little spot for pop cans. I say pop loosely. In here, you've got 5,000 BTU residential air conditioning. Again, that is 5,000 BTU, so you can run that when you're plugged in at home using a 15 amp adapter. So when you're loading up, you're not sweating. You do have a travel latch on the refrigerator, so it doesn't come open while you're going down the road. And then your bed, also for the front, is your booth dinette. As you come around the corner, as you come around the corner here, you're going to see there's the MPPT charge controller that I talked about. It is up there. It is mounted. You can see that if you get around there, you can see that the green light shows that the battery is, there is indeed a battery on it, and the red flashing light shows that it is charging. And again, that is an expandable charge controller, so you can add an additional solar panel to it. Okay, so I've broken down the bed to show you guys where you sleep. You break that bed down. I do have some people that will just leave that down and use that for sitting. That's completely up to you. We try to make them as versatile as possible so you can make it your own. If you swing around here, you'll see that we've installed an exit window here, emergency exit window. So you just open that up, push it out, and climb out the window in case of a fire. Again, all lights in this unit are LED lights, so everything in here is LED. Every light we use, including your backup lights, turn signals, all of it. The reason we do that is we want you to be able to maintain as much battery life as you possibly can for those boondocking situations.